steady texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about shit, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please.
Girl looks so crazy, and that's fine. But I know that y'all said y'all wanted more hauls from me. Y'all wanted more fashion, and I'm gonna give y'all just that. Girl, y'all know my Galentines Day brunch that I'm hosting is this Sunday. So y'all, my niece is here. My dog niece. She's a poodle. And when I say she is the most hypest dog I've came encounter with, yeah. So, but anyway, I'm about to unbox. It's not a box. Unbag. Open this with y'all. This is my Valentine's Day outfit, and I'm excited. Okay. And I was talking to my friend, and I was asking her if I should do like I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day vlog by itself. Okay, so it comes with the gloves. Oh my God, I love the richness of this pink. Like it, oh my God. So it's so pretty online. I'm gonna insert. But the richness, the vibrancy, this is giving me the luxury. The luxury. And then, oh my God. The bodysuit. Where are the arms? Oh, the arms is the sleeves. That's done, Brittany. Oh my God. It's so cute. And this goes on my arms. And my arms come under here. Good girl. Y'all already know. I'm gonna stand up and show y'all in a minute. Auntie gonna eat. She gonna eat that up. Period. Now I gotta see how I want to put it together, because I have an idea, but I don't really know if I want to go with that or not. I don't know if it's gonna give me the vibe that I'm aiming for, but we're gonna put it together, okay? We're gonna put it together. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or if I'm gonna do it tomorrow. My nieces are coming today, so I may not get to do it today, but we're gonna see, because I'm really on some chill shit. I've been chilling, but this right here, y'all, I'm gonna eat the girls up. Y'all know how I do. Chew you up, spit you out, period. I know I'm supposed to be showing y'all what the outfit looks like, but I'm about to put some food in a bird feeder, because I have a big bird feeder in my backyard. And yeah, they ain't got no food, so I'm about to fill it up. It's the weirdest shit ever. I've never had a bird feeder. And the crazy thing is, the birds have literally been coming and sitting on my tent because they want bird food. It's one here now. There's a couple birds. Get away from it. There's a couple birds sitting in a tree. And it's another, the bird is still sitting on the fence. He watched me fill the thing up. And now I'm about to see how long it takes them to actually go to the bird feeder. I think this is quite interesting. A bitch go from having dogs to having pet birds too. What type of shit is this? But hey, it is what it is. They're gonna make sure I'm out their way first before they come. I'm all done. And Auntie is motherfucking sad. So yeah, let's go look at this outfit. Say hey. You want me to open it? You want some candy? You excited? Chanel.
That's my dog. These dogs are fun.
You like the dogs?
What are these dogs doing?
Morning, dopies. Today is Galentines Day, and I'm super excited to get dressed. I didn't have a vlog yesterday because I just wanted to spend time with my little family, my little nieces, my little wife. I mean, my big wife. So yeah, we gotta get dressed.
It's gonna cut.
My leg. Yes, it look like yours, don't it? It look like your knee.
It's really good.
Huh?
I can scratch you.
You scratch me?
No, this is like a scar.
How you get that scar? I done burnt the hell out of my finger, but I'm wearing gloves. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, I did try to look on, and I said I was originally gonna do it with denim, but I really don't even know if I want to go with the denim. I got another idea in mind. I'm thinking about going a little black with a little zebra and add a little silver. We're gonna see what that's giving. I went from my little emerald green wig. Baby, I snatched that hoe off last night. That's the great thing about wearing blueless wigs, because you can just take it off if you're done. So I'm back black. Once you go black, you never go back. How long did he play?
I grew up in the Bay Area.
Y'all look at
so I was a
this.
49ers fan since I was as long as I can remember. With experience in both the military and the NFL, he decided to reach out to Cap.
But yeah,
I'm a Green Beret, Texas
so
law.
it is.
I walked on to the University of Texas in 2010. I was 29 years old. I'd never played football before in my life, but it was a dream that I had. At that time, I was transitioning out of active duty.
Well, she got her new
special forces.
partner to watch sports with.
Finally decided I was ready to go to college.
But yeah, 9 o'clock I'm gonna get up, start getting myself together. It's currently 8:35, so once I get out the shower, I'll be back when it's time to do my facial routine, because you gotta wash your face before you put the cake on it. So I'll be back. You know, one thing about it, aunties, we just don't get enough credit. Like, we don't get enough credit at all. Because one thing about me, I'm a superior ass TT. No back talk. No debate. But because, baby, when I tell you, these kids, I don't know. Hold on. Don't really know what they get to, what they, I don't know. Being with TT is a luxury, honey. Because they be over here doing any and everything. Huh? Any and everything. As loud as they want to be. And I don't know, but I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll be looking forward to the day that they go back home. I think that's why I ain't really in a rush to be a parent, because I know the part comes when I'm not gonna be able to drop them off nowhere. Everybody ain't gonna be available just because I want a break, you know? So if I take my time and enjoy being a damn TT, because I love my nieces down real bad, but I enjoy my peace more. But I'm about to go ahead and hop into this makeup. We about to do this makeup together, because ain't no makeup, ain't no look without no makeup. No, don't believe that, because baby, I still used to put that shit on with just eyebrows. So yeah, we about to get into this makeup. Get her done. Get her fucking done. I'm excited. I am going to show y'all my outfit, so don't worry. I'm going to give y'all everything y'all need about this look. You can't get mad because I ain't talking to you. You cannot get mad.
Summer turned into fall. See,
I got mine.
it's funny because I never thought this would end, but then the season changed.
And baby,
you were my, should've made you my wife. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby. Oh yeah.
of course I couldn't leave without showing y'all what I'm wearing. This is the jumpsuit. I feel like I might not ever wear this again, but we're gonna try to give it another chance. I did pair it with this pleated belt that I got from Shein, with my glasses that I got from Shein. I went a silver with it. This purse came from Shein. Don't mind Chanel, y'all. I've been talking to her all fucking day. But yeah, this is the look. I got 4 minutes until it's time for me to leave. I guess you think I'm talking to her, but I'm not. Silver charcoal from Amazon. Earrings from Amazon. Cuff from Amazon. So you can get this whole look. I'll just do y'all a favor. No. So I got this jumpsuit from Fashion Nova, and it's actually only in stock for sizes 2X and 3X. So I do apologize for that. But yeah, this is the look. I'm about to scurry on out of here, and I'll see y'all when we get to where we're going. Why did I get here and I have a fucking hole in the back of my fucking outfit? No bullshit. Having an outfit on that has a zipper on the butt is my biggest fear with busting it open, because it doesn't last. Like I'm very well aware that when I sit down, my butt spreads wider. So I don't not have the expectation that it can happen to me, but who the fuck really wants to go through that, you know? It's upsetting me, but I guess I gotta do what I gotta do. That's it though. $9. Oh shit. Hold on, this is real, y'all. This is crazy. Can you see it? It's, no. Okay.
It's acting natural.
It's so challenging. Oh my god.
You the rest of your friends for the late 4 minutes.
I don't know. I got text messages, but I answer when I get in. Y'all, this is crazy. I've never had anything like this happen to me before. So it's very scary. And I feel it. I don't feel no air though. Yes. Now that you've pointed it out,
Sorry?
It's okay. You did right. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. I'm gonna fix it when I get in here. Oh, it's so cute. Hey, he's so cute. I love it. Oh, she don't mean no harm. What's she gonna say? Daddy vibe. Period. Brick said she gonna be a little late. It's giving sexy gloves off.
Can I order a lemon drop? Lemon drop? Are you our?
No.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Girl, this is crazy. All I can do is react to messages right now. As our table feels, look at Kendra. Hey. As our table feels.
We got that grapefruit in it. The breakfast or the gentleman mimosa is another good one of my favorites. And then I would have to say that the espresso martini is another one. Yeah. You want to do espresso? No. Oh no.
That's not my turn. Okay, well, we're gonna take COVID test when we get home.
Yeah.
They got martini. That's not.
They was at the bar. I hate dark. They
What? Martini.
with that.
I should have put my phone over there for the moment. I was trying to wait till we got our drinks, but.
They did it at the W when I went there.
What?
They are disgusting.
Olive martini.
Yeah, they be having like stuff.
I mean, I like olives, but I wouldn't drink it. That's like people who drink the olives at all. I feel like you drink pickle juice? I didn't drink no pickle juice. Now, see, I have to put my mouth on this glass, and I don't want to. It's a martini glass.
Don Julio.
Oh, that's me. You got Don Julio? Patron.
She got Patron, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, y'all made it cute.
Alright, so I'll go get some straws and do that.
Okay, when we get some straws, then we're gonna do a little clink clink.
Yeah, you need to put your camera at
I need to do what? It should be right in your face. It just no. Get her. I can't wait. Girl, cause I'm finna move me back in. Cause I paid my fucking rent. I done paid. Look, I done paid. And she moved me. I paid my rent. Can I have my camera? No. Camera, come back. Get my shit. When it comes to a drink, the bitches don't have it. Cheers. Take a drink. Take a drink. Already? You gonna get another one? Come on, Fred. Drink your drink. You was just complaining about you not being able to drink it. I don't have to get pictures when I go out. Thank you.
So that is y'all doing YouTube. Y'all doing YouTube, but she's on Instagram. I'm doing content creator.
Come on, Kendra. Cheers. Drink your drink. Thank you. Kendra, she's asleep. Come on, Chief. Show us this cute ass drink. Cheers. You got a limit. No, you got a limit. Cheers. Boom. Drink so good. Silly. Okay. Cheers. Come on, drink some of your drink. God. Cheese. Okay, redo. I got you. At least I know how to end it.
I need to read
I'm feeling like,
what?
Oh, how? Because I'm a dog hoe.
Thank you.
These are drinks. This is double shot.
Look, I should put this on my.
One thing I love about
that
myself.
I'm loyal and genuine, and what I love about Brittany is she is very like she can be rah-rah, but she's very lovable, and I love that about people.
Thank you.
One thing I love about myself is I'm not selfish. I care more about others than I do me, to be honest. And
You love that about yourself?
I do. I love loving others. I feel like that is my happy place. Yeah. How selfless you are. Yeah. That's right. And one thing I love about Tilly, and Tilly gonna put that shit on quick, because she didn't have none of that together yet. No. I got y'all don't know last night. But she got it together. Yeah. And I love that. Thank you.
You take your shot. Let's go a little bit because he fucking up on the turn.
Oh no, you're next.
I don't know what I love about myself, but I'm actually currently learning to love things about myself and learn myself. What I love about Brittany is that she's a genuine friend, and I love the way that she loves me.
So sweet.
Am I supposed to take this? Wait.
And what I love about Brittany is because I ain't say that. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I'm sorry. Back to her shot. We put all that together. All that.
You ain't gotta take all of it, just a little bit.
Period.
Okay, yeah.
And what I love about Brittany is that, let me get the because she can try to fuck up my angle. What I love about Brittany is she is me in a way. Like, we're so much alike. Like, normally people hate that about other people, but I love that about us. Because at first it didn't work, but now we're figuring how it works, so it works well. But yeah, bye. What about myself?
I'm putting that in there.
She gotta tell y'all. What I love about myself is that I'm genuine. I always do right by people, and people that don't do right by me, they might fall apart.
Look, I don't play about me.
He don't play about me. He don't play about me.
Engage with y'all because I'm the camera that
What I love about somebody else here. Guess I'm gonna say what I love about Brittany is that she invited me to the brunch. I ain't got no friends, but it's okay.
Alright, so I have that drink in, I have your drink in, but it is last call for brunch.
Okay.
I got you.
I want another one too, okay?
When kids are like, what the hell?
Well, let's see if he fucked it up for the church this month, period. You ain't gotta act like you know.
Is me. My creativity. Like, it's endless and it's unique to me. And what I love about, I think she's so naturally pretty. Like, I love just like a really confident woman, and that's what she giving.
regardless of what I go through with anybody, my character does not change. It never will change. And because I can't single out anybody, because I'm the host of this event, I'm gonna say what I love about everybody is no matter how close we are, how distant we are, they still show up for me. Regardless of the fact, no matter how long we go without talking, how often we do talk, it does not change the relationship and the bond that I have with them. So, cheers to all of us. And yeah. That is so funny. Cheers to all of us. Cheers. Sunday. Who got chicken and waffles? I got shrimp and grits. What you get?
Nobody got chicken and waffles? I got fish and waffles.
That look like fish.
Yeah. Okay.
That ain't mine.
Yes, it is.
I got shrimp and grits. I mean, fish and grits. It's hot. Thank you. It don't look better than my wife. I'm just
I did.
What'd you get?
Look, I got another lemon drop.
Me too. I'm excited. Now when we get in the car, when we get in the car and we hit this blunt, it's not serious.
I need my new drink. You on video, everybody. I'm gonna play my favorite game. Why ain't your shit? No, it's her.
What is that?
It's range, but it's okay. It was before it My stockings are showing. That's tough.
Oh, no, I had chicken and waffles. She had chicken and waffles. I had the fish and waffles. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't dig in. Don't dig in.
It's fine.
I was just looking at the video there. We got content creator friends.
And another one, thank you.
Alright, why my fish taste like chicken?
I only got one. He only did one in the whole table, and it was that. What is it? It was the plate? No, he handed it to me separate.
Damn, I just did my own.
My waffles look like something. My waffles don't.
I need a spoon.
Damn, she didn't bring my sub. She didn't bring the regular sub.
Maybe that was yours. Can I get a spoon? A spoon?
Syrup and spoon. Do you want some syrup?
Please.
Okay. You want some syrup? Or you got some? I'll buy you some and not them. Okay.
Hey, Harry.
You gonna give me a spoon?
Bro, I was looking for the ass. Where the fuck did that shit go?
Did you want to do this or outside? Okay, here. It can see me though. You know how to turn around.
I'm gonna need hella pictures.
I'm
I'm gonna need hella pictures.
Yeah, we can do the video.
I can help with that.
We can do the video first before we do the picture. Let's take a picture.
Video.
Picture.
Let's go.
Period. You ain't fucking with no like
What is y'all? It's like, I heard that that's the new weekend jar.
You ready to do our video? We're not doing Ready? Get to him.
Okay. I'm using your phone.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm at what if
The front of my dress is wet. I'm not taking no pictures.
It's wet? Well,
You was sweating. Oh, well. Let me see.
I didn't see nothing. Girl, if you don't put that purse right there, why you show you how to pose? I can show you how to pose. Why you trying to hide?
I didn't see nothing. She
Well, why
lied.
don't you just get where somebody else is hiding it?
She said,
You can get right here.
Come on, Chica Leaks. Okay, come on.
That's because I want to get waxed this morning.
Let's do this video right quick.
Somebody
it's
face me
extra
down there.
slippery.
Somebody face me. What the fuck? That was European wax. Can we get it in?
Let's do this video. I guess Kendra gonna be in here.
Oh, wait a minute. I didn't know what was going on.
My bad.
Let me see.
Down to the.
Kiss my ass.
No, we can't. I think you
Oh,
got.
I gotta pay you. I'm not paying for that shit. I'm gonna send you $10.
Cheap.
That's it.
Okay.
I have to take several takes.
I don't want no phone in my hand.
The fuck? Who permitted y'all to charge somebody that much for ballet?
Hey, it was something clubs I did, so.
How does that even happen? How much is it? $25 fucking dollars. But I went in a walk. That's not bad.
Most places it's like
High as fuck. Free. High as fuck.
Hey,
Free.
Nashville is different. Nashville,
Free.
like, yeah,
It's
like,
free.
Yeah.
If you're patronizing an establishment, they usually will validate your parking, not charge you to park to come and fucking eat. Let me scan real quick. Hold on, let me scan. I want to send you $25.
Hey girl, it's Trinity with Tilly.
And your fashion best friend. Don't forget that April the 6th will be
Spilling the tea.
Oh, who?
I know most people did. Y'all in the style like
The fashion tea that is my boy.
Oh.
Okay, I'm playing.
Why is my phone not fucking working?
Hey girl. Oh my god.
Try again. I'm sorry.
One, two, three.
Hey girl, it's Trinity with Tilly.
And your fashion best friend. Don't forget that April the 6th will be
Spilling the tea. The fashion tea that is. Click the link below to get your ticket now.
not tomorrow, but today. Like right now.
This is a high tea event you don't want to miss.
I'm gonna say period.
Here's Miss. We almost made it. Damn, I did
Y'all
good.
didn't make it to the end yet. Ready? One, two. Okay, wait.
Hey girl, it's Trinity with Tilly.
And your fashion best friend. Don't forget that April the 6th will be spilling the tea.
The fashion tea that is. So click the link below to get your ticket now.
Not tomorrow, but today. Like right now.
This is a high tea event you don't want to miss.
So
don't meet us. God damn! It was almost there. What the fuck? We made it almost.
Y'all was there. Come on. Okay.
Ready?
Wrap that shit.
One, 2, 3.
Hey girl, it's Trinity with Tilly.
And your fashion best friend. Don't forget that April the 6th will be
Spilling the tea. The fashion tea that is. So but God damn! We gonna have to selfie this motherfucker.
ready. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Hey girl.
It's Trinity with Tilly.
And your fashion best friend. Don't forget that April the 6th will be
Spilling the tea. The fashion tea that is. So click the link below to get your ticket now.
not tomorrow, but today. Like right now.
This is a high tea event you don't want to miss. So don't meet us there.
Now you fucking keep saying so
Damn! We're in the last sentence.
So meet us there, don't beat us there.
So don't meet us there. Beat us there.
Okay, so maybe I can.
And are you dumb? Come.
And where you at? You ready?
Right, just hop in. Be ready. Hop in and say that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey girl.
It's Trinity with Tilly.
And your fashion best friend. Don't forget that April the 6th will be
Spilling the tea. The fashion tea that is. So click the link below and get your ticket now.
not tomorrow, but today.
like right now.
This is a high tea event you don't want to miss.
So don't meet us there.
Meet us there. Are you dumb?
Let's see. Lord have mercy. Oh,
Tag 18. You did so. It's okay. We'll keep that for our drafts and we'll do it. Cause I hate me.
it's because it looks like you're over us like that.
It's okay. No, we don't
Not
want
okay.
to.
Because the background and the ambiance is giving what we needed to give.
What if I don't?
Have a
What
good
if I
day.
give me what I need to give? What if I don't?
First of all, it's zoomed out.
Yeah, I
That's
do.
why.
Okay.
So if we can give more of a
And we can give like a hero.
Yeah, because I was getting the shoe.
Yeah, you don't have to do the shit.
and just stand back far enough so where you can see both of us.
Okay.
I don't know what we did to do.
Ready? Can you see us? Hero. Ready?
Look, they can
That could be alright. What?
How you say I need to pay you again?
What's up?
What am I paying you?
It should. Did it not work on there?
No.
Oh, it didn't. It's $25.
10.
You negotiated?
15.
I'll cut you deal for 10. You just can't tell me.
How do I do it?
You got
Hey girl.
Huh?
You got cash out?
Don't forget
I
that.
had Cash App. I got Zelle. I don't have Venmo.
Cash app will
So
work.
click the link below and get your ticket now.
Not
Are you
tomorrow,
serious?
but today. Like right now.
Don't tell them.
Yeah, y'all gonna
What is it?
We loud, friend.
Wait, let me.
Okay, ready and
1,
Silence.
2, 3. Hey girl.
it's Trinity with Tilly.
And your fashion best friend. Don't forget that April the 6th will be spilling the tea.
The fashion tea that is. So click the link below and get your ticket now.
Not tomorrow, but today. Like right now.
Here, let me
It'll be a high
scan
tea
it.
event you don't want to miss. So
So don't meet us there.
meet us there.
Period. Let's see. Oh. Period.
I love her. Period.
Galentines Day was definitely a success. And Auntie is ready to take her ass home. If you don't know, today is Super Bowl. So we're definitely looking forward to Usher doing his damn thing. We're ready for Usher to do his damn thing. And to hear that Alicia Keys was on set with him means that they finna be singing my boo. And y'all know they used to be our song back in the motherfucking day. So, can I have my phone? Oh, I got it already. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's your phone.
So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get home because that's what we're on the way to. And yeah.
Told them bitches meet me at the top. Think they got